Hi, I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn telling time to the hour together, step by step. A clock has two hands that tell the time. The short hand points to the hour. The long hand points to the minutes. They work together to tell us the time. When the long hand points straight up to 12, it is exactly on the hour. We say, o'clock. Then the short hand tells you which hour it is. Look at the short hand. If it points to 3 and the long hand is on 12, it is 3 o'clock. The short hand always names the hour for us. Let us read this clock. The long hand is on 12, so it is on the hour. The short hand points to 8, so the time is 8 o'clock. Great reading. So when the long hand is on 12, it is o'clock. The short hand tells you the hour. Put them together and say the time. You can tell time now. Great work. Keep practicing with Ace at UScoreAcademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.